Get ready, the first true taste of winter is coming to the eastern half of the U.S. early next week, November 9th, 10th, and 11th, 2025. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know. Our next disturbance arrives from the Canadian Rockies over the weekend and will head to the south and east, and at that point, it will intensify into a powerful cold front. This front will make its way all the way out to the east coast and down to the Gulf Coast. As it does so, it will bring a dramatic change to our weather. We're talking temperatures that are 10 to 20, perhaps even 30 degrees below average, which is much more reminiscent of early January. Taking a look at the upper level pattern, this is primarily fueled by a strong blocking high over Greenland, known as the negative phase of the North Atlantic Oscillation. We also have a strong ridge over the western U.S., which is leading to milder weather in that part of the country. Those features work in tandem to create a strong upper level trough over the eastern U.S., allowing polar air to flow in from Canada. How cold are we talking? Well, on Monday, November 10th, we'll see lows dropping to the low to mid 20s across the Midwest and the plains, and sub-freezing temperatures as far south as Oklahoma and Arkansas. On Tuesday, November 11th, we will see the first freeze of the year on the East Coast, while lows will drop into the 20s in the interior Northeast and as far south as parts of Georgia, Tennessee, and Alabama. We may see 30s as far south as Tampa. Not only that, but some areas could see their first measurable snow of the winter. Depending on the track and intensity of our front, we could see snow as far south as Tennessee, and accumulations possible in places like Minneapolis, Milwaukee, Chicago, South Bend, Detroit, Columbus, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, and Rochester, among others. We could be talking plowable snow near the Great Lakes and the mountains of West Virginia, upstate New York, and northern New England. Make sure to bundle up, and it is a stark reminder that winter is coming and is actually right around the corner. In fact, meteorological winter begins in just a few weeks. Now, this cold shot is only expected to last a few days, but if we see this pattern recur at another point in the winter, that could lead to not only some brutal cold, but perhaps opportunities for snow. As we approach winter, make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.